Hello, everyone. Welcome to day 27, the magic mirror. It's a very, very interesting topic. Let's start this with an invocation. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Chakoksui, Lord Mahaguruji Mailing, all the great, great ones, Holy Gurus, Holy Masters, Saints, Archangels, Holy Angels, and all the spiritual helpers. My higher soul, to the universe, to the air that I breathe, to the suns, to the moon, to planets, solar system. The extra abundance, the new abundance that shows up into my life every day, the abundance that has been in my life from the day I was born till today, my perfect health, my very attractive mind, each and every organ of my body, the support that I receive in all my desires and all my endeavors. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So, day 27, last few days, yesterday was day 26. We've done the session Magically Transform Mistakes into Blessings. This topic is called the magic mirror. The appearance of things changes according to emotions, and thus we see magic and beauty in them, while the magic and beauty are really in ourselves. Such beautifully written. The appearance of things changes according to the emotions, and thus we see magic and beauty in them. And while the magic and beauty are really in ourselves. Khalil Gibran, poet and artist. You can spend the rest of your life running around trying to beat the outside world into the shape you want, chasing one problem after another, trying to fix them, complaining about situations or other people, and never succeed in living your life to the fullest and realizing all your dreams. But when you make the magic of gratitude your way of life, everything in the world around you magically changes. Just like that, your world magically changes because you changed. So, what you are attracting changed too. In the inspirational words of Gandhi and in the lyrics of Michael Jackson's song Man in the Mirror, which impacted hundreds of millions, one of the most powerful message of all time was delivered. Change the person in the mirror and your world will change. If you have followed the 26 magical practices to this point, you have changed. And even though it is sometimes hard to see the changes in yourself, you will have felt the change in your happiness. And you will have seen the change of improved circumstances in your life and the magical changes in the world around you. You have practiced the magical power of gratitude for your family and friends, for your work, for money and health, for your dreams, and even for people you come across each day. But the person who deserves your gratitude more than anyone else is you yourself. When you are grateful to be the person in the mirror, feelings of dissatisfaction, discontentment, disappointment, and I'm not good enough completely disappears. And with them, every dissatisfying, discontenting, and disappointing circumstance in your life magically disappears too. Negative feeling about yourself cause the greatest damage to your life because they are more powerful than any feelings you have about anything or anyone else. Wherever you go and whatever those feelings and those feelings taint everything you touch, and they act as a magnet, attracting more and more dissatisfaction, discontentment, and disappointment with everything you do. When you are grateful to be you, you will only attract circumstances that make you even feel better about yourself. You have to be rich with good feelings about yourselves to bring the riches of life to you. Gratitude for yourself enriches you. Whoever has gratitude for themselves will be given more, and he and she will have abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude for themselves, even what he or she has will be taken away from him or her. To do the magic practice, go to a mirror right now. Look directly at the person in the mirror, and out loud you say the magic word. Thank you, thank you, thank you. With all your heart. Mean it more than you have ever before. Say thank you for being you. Say thank you for everything that you are. Say thank you for everything. Say thank you with at least the same amount of feeling you have used for everything and everyone else. Be grateful for you just as you are. Continue with the magic mirror practice by being grateful to that beautiful person in the mirror for the rest of the day today, and say the magic word, thank you, every time you look yourself into the mirror hereafter. If you are not in the position to say the magic words out loud at any particular time, then you can say them in your mind. And if you really are brave, you can look into the magic mirror and say 3 things about yourself you're really, really grateful for. If for any reason in future you're not being kind to yourself, you will know to give to the one person who deserves your gratitude more than anyone else. The person in the mirror. When you are grateful, you don't blame yourself when you make a mistake. When you are grateful, you don't criticize yourself when you are not perfect. When you are grateful for being you, you are just happy. And you will become a magnet to happy people. Happy situations, magical circumstances, which will surround you wherever you go and whatever you do. When you can see the magic in that person in the mirror, your whole world will change. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is the end of today's topic. Tomorrow is day 28. Remember the magic. What you need to do today is that when this session gets over, you need to go to the mirror, look at into your eyes and say thank you, and identify 3 things that in yourself you're grateful for. Hereafter, whenever you are crossing the mirror, you look into your eyes and say thank you either aloud or in your mind. Count your blessings, make list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful for. Each time you look at yourself into the mirror today, say thank you. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock and identify the best thing that happened to you today. Tomorrow is day 28. Very, very interesting message. What you can also do is that you can do positive affirmations looking into the mirror. For example, this is the mirror, and I'm going to say thank you, Umesh, for this, and I am so grateful. Advanced gratitude for your desires. Works really very well for me, and it'll work amazingly well for you. Thank you everyone for joining this session. Thank you, thank you, thank you for doing these activities with me. May all of you be blessed. Thank you, universe. Thank you, sun, moon, solar system, air, water, food. Thank you, my mind, my organs, my money, my abundance, my personality, my body. Thank you, my spiritual teacher, Master Chokoksui, Mahaguruji, mailing of the great, great ones, holy gurus, holy masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, and all the spiritual helpers. Thank you, Rhonda, and thank you each and every person connected to this book. And thank you for the overflowing abundance in my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for your support in each and every endeavor of mine. Thank you for success in all my endeavors. Thank you. Thank you all for joining, and see you all tomorrow. Bye.